So today we'll be looking at Gauss's law, which states that the total electric flux through any enclosed surface is proportional to the total charge enclosed in that particular surface. And what is total flux? It measures the total field passing through an enclosed surface. And what are these surfaces we're talking about? We're talking about the sphere, talking about the cube, cylinder. These are the surfaces we are referring to. And mathematically, we can say that Gauss's law was stated as Q all over permittivity. This is the charge in an enclosed surface. And we said that Q is the charge in enclosed surface. E naught is the permittivity in free space. And the A is the tiny area pointing out of that particular surface. And we have a problem here to solve. Calculate the electric field given in a charge Q equal to 5 microcoulomb at the center of the sphere of radius 0.1 meter, given that permittivity is 8.854 times 10 raised to the power minus 12. So in this case, we appeal to the formula. The charge is given as 5 microcoulomb, which we convert to coulomb. I'll become 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 coulomb. And then the radius is given 0.1 meter, and permittivity is given as 8.85 times 10 raised to the power minus 12. So we now have a formula E. In this case, we are looking about sphere. They're talking about sphere. That is 4 pi r square equal to Q all over E naught. The surface we're talking about in this case is a sphere, and the area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. So what we are calculating is the electric field. We now have E times 4 times the value of pi is 3.142 by 0.1 square equal to Q is given as 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 12 all over 8.85 times 10 raised to the power minus 12. So in this case, what you need to do is to make E the subject. And in making E the subject, we divide both sides by this. So, or you can put it this way, E, you can put it this way, E times 4 times 3.142 times 0.1 square times 8.85 times 10 raised to the power minus 12 is equal to 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. This is minus 6. Because we converted this to 6. That is 10 raised to the power minus 6. So in this case, we can make E the subject. And E becomes 8.85 times 10 raised to the power minus 12. Sorry, 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 divided by 4 times 3.142 times 0.1 square. So by the time we'll evaluate that, we'll have 4.46. If we evaluate this, we'll have E to be equal to 4.46 times 10 raised to the power 6 Newton's column. Newton's column. So if you do this, this is what we'll have. If you have any confusion, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.